Hey, Arav, can you believe Diwali is just a week away? Are you excited?
Hi, Meera. I'm super excited. Diwali is my favorite festival. I love the lights, the decorations, and of course, the sweets. Have you started your preparations yet?
Definitely. I've already cleaned the house from top to bottom. My family believes in thorough cleaning before Diwali to welcome Goddess Lakshmi. Plus, I've started decorating with diyas and rangoli designs. What about you?
That sounds wonderful. We've started decorating too. My mom is buying new curtains and cushions to brighten up the living room. We also bought a ton of lights. It's like a mini light festival at our place.
I love that. We always hang fairy lights around the house and have a few colorful lanterns too. It makes everything feel so festive. Are you planning to make any special dishes for Diwali?
Absolutely. My mom is making her famous besan ladus and some other sweets. I'm also planning to help her make some savory snacks, like chakli and samosas. What about you?
That sounds delicious. I'm going to make some gujia and kachori. My mom has a secret recipe for both, and they're a hit with everyone. We are also planning to prepare some traditional meals for the family dinner.
Nice. Food is such an important part of Diwali. We usually have a big family dinner on the night of the festival. It's a great time to catch up with everyone. Do you have any special plans for Diwali night?
Yes, we usually do a small puja at home to seek blessings for prosperity and happiness. After that, we light all the diyas and have a family dinner. I also love bursting a few crackers, but we keep it minimal for safety.
I'm the same. I enjoy a few crackers, but I prefer to focus on the family time and the delicious food. Are you going to invite friends over this year?
Yes, I'm inviting a few close friends for Diwali dinner. I think it's a great way to celebrate together. We'll play some games and maybe watch a movie after dinner. What about you? Any get togethers planned?
I'm planning to have some friends over too. We'll probably have a small gathering at my place on the night of Diwali. I think it'll be nice to mix family time with friends. Are you going to decorate the outside of your house as well?
Definitely. We usually put diyas along the pathway and hang lanterns at the entrance. It creates such a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Plus, I love seeing all the houses lit up in the neighborhood.
It's the best part. Walking around the neighborhood and seeing all the decorations gives you such a festive feeling. Have you thought about what gifts you'll be giving this year?
Yes, we usually prepare some gift baskets with sweets and snacks to give to neighbors and friends. It's a nice way to spread the festive cheer. I also plan to buy some small gifts for my family, like clothes or accessories.
Great idea. I'm thinking of gifting my parents some personalized items, maybe some custom-made photo frames with pictures from our family gatherings. I think they'll love that.
That sounds so thoughtful. Personalized gifts always mean a lot. I'm sure they'll cherish it. Have you started shopping for the new clothes yet?
I've bought a new kurta for myself, but I still need to get something for my sister. She's been asking for a traditional lehenga. I think I'll surprise her with it.
That's a lovely idea. It'll be great for her to wear during the celebrations. I'm planning to wear a new sari that I bought last month. I can't wait to dress up and enjoy the festivities.
It'll be so nice to see everyone dressed up in traditional attire. It adds to the charm of the festival. Are you planning to take lots of pictures during the celebrations?
Absolutely. I always love capturing moments during Diwali. I'll make sure to take plenty of family photos and maybe some fun candid shots with my friends. It's a great way to remember all the beautiful moments.
Yes. Let's make sure to document everything. Diwali is all about joy and togetherness, and those memories are priceless. I can't wait for all the festivities to begin.
Me too. It's going to be an amazing celebration. I'm so looking forward to spending time with family and friends and enjoying all the delicious food.
Same here. Let's make this Diwali unforgettable.
Absolutely. See you soon, Arav.
See you, Meera. Take care and happy Diwali in advance.